Hello, everyone, and welcome to English with Altaf. I'm Annie.
And I'm Altaf. In this video, we are going to help you learn how to start English conversations using ChatGPT.
Yes, starting a conversation in English can feel difficult, especially if you're shy or unsure about your grammar.
But don't worry. We'll show you how you can use ChatGPT to practice starting conversations in English every day. Let's begin.
Altaf, let's start with something basic. What is a conversation starter?
A conversation starter is a simple sentence or question you say to begin talking with someone. It helps break the silence and start a friendly chat.
Right. For example, if I meet someone new, I can say, "Hi, how are you?" Or, "Nice to meet you."
Exactly. And with ChatGPT, you can practice these starters by typing or speaking them, and you will get a reply. It's like talking to a real person.
Let's give an example. I'll be the learner and you'll be ChatGPT. Ready?
Sure, let's do it.
Hi, how are you today?
Hello. I'm doing well, thank you. How about you?
I'm good too. What do you like to do in your free time?
I enjoy reading books and watching movies. What about you?
I like listening to music. Thanks for sharing.
That's a great example. Now let's show some different types of conversation starters you can use with ChatGPT.
Okay, let's start with casual conversation starters. These are good for friendly, everyday chats.
Here are a few examples. How's your day going? What did you do today? Have you watched any good movies lately?
I'll pick one and try it with ChatGPT. Have you watched any good movies lately?
Yes, I watched a great movie last weekend. It was a comedy. Do you like funny movies?
Yes, I do. What was the name of the movie?
It was called The Funny Side. It made me laugh a lot.
Nice. That felt like a real conversation.
Yes, and the more you practice, the better you get.
Now let's try formal conversation starters. These are useful in business, interviews, or when you want to be polite.
Here are a few examples. Good morning. How may I assist you? It's a pleasure to meet you. May I ask your name? Could you tell me more about your work?
Let's try one. I'll say, "It's a pleasure to meet you. May I ask your name?"
It's nice to meet you too. My name is David. What's yours?
I'm Annie. Thank you, David.
See? That sounds very professional and polite. Practicing with ChatGPT can help you feel confident in formal situations too.
What about conversation starters for making new friends?
That's a good one. You can use these when meeting people online or in real life. What kind of music do you like? Do you enjoy traveling? What do you usually do on weekends?
Let me try. Do you enjoy traveling?
Yes, I love visiting new places. I recently went to the mountains. Have you ever traveled to the mountains?
Yes, I went with my family last year. It was a beautiful place.
That's a natural and fun way to build a friendship.
Let's try some conversation starters for learning and sharing knowledge. These are good when you want to talk about books, news, or learning.
Great idea. Here are a few examples. Have you read any interesting books lately? What's a topic you enjoy learning about? Did you hear the latest news?
I'll ask ChatGPT, "What's a topic you enjoy learning about?"
I enjoy learning about space and the planets. It's very exciting. What do you like to learn about?
I like learning English, of course.
That's perfect for learners who want to grow their vocabulary and ideas.
Now, let's talk about how to practice using ChatGPT for conversation starters.
Yes, that's important. Here are some tips. Open ChatGPT and start with a simple question. Read the reply carefully and try to respond naturally. Try different topics: travel, hobbies, food, work. Speak out loud if you want to practice speaking skills. Repeat this daily to build confidence.
That's a great routine. And don't worry if you make mistakes. ChatGPT doesn't judge you.
Exactly. It's a safe space to practice English anytime you want.
Let's share a few more helpful starters before we wrap up.
Sure, these are for daily practice. What do you usually eat for breakfast? How's the weather today? What's your favorite color? Do you have any pets? What's your favorite English word?
And you can mix them up and add your own ideas. Just be curious and keep asking simple questions.
The more you use these starters, the more confident you'll become in English.
So let's quickly review what we learned today.
We talked about what conversation starters are and how to use them.
We practice casual, formal, friendly, and learning focused conversation starters.
And we showed you how to use ChatGPT to practice these conversations easily.
Remember, practice is the key. Use ChatGPT every day to improve your speaking skills.
Thank you for watching English with Altaf. Keep learning and keep speaking.
See you in the next video. Take care and happy learning.